Hi, good morning. It's good to see na may mga high school students today. And most importantly, ang mga college students na from the IT courses. So, very, very relevant ang company namon sa inyong kurso. Okay? As was introduced, no, ako si Claire Britania. My complete name is Marie Claire Britania. I'm the Training and Development Officer on Search Engine Optimization at Eversun Software Philippines Corporation. And my email is claire.b@agencyfile.com. My Yahoo Messenger is Mason26. I have accounts at Friendster, Facebook, Twitter, my blog, Dig, and Delicious. And I am online 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. Right. But more than that, we are not a call center company. That's the difference. Okay, we are a web development company. Now, what is a web development company? We create websites. So, my counterparts from the call center companies talk about services, customer-oriented services. We are more skills-oriented. Okay, we also interact with our clients every day, but we do not speak. So kung mag-apply ka mo sa amon na company, you don't need to speak English well or to have an American accent. Kailangan lang, mahal ka mo sa English in written form because you'll be chatting all day. Think about it, you'll be paid to chat all day. You'll be paid to surf the net, to click on the ads, to surf Friendster, to get to know people from different countries, to have friends online, and all that you're being paid. It's not as stressful as you think, it's more fun. Right? Subong pa lang ko, nag-internet ka mo. Sino nag-play sa video games din? Nag-Friendster? Okay. Halos na dan. Okay? But you will be paying. Imagine, you don't have to pay the internet para sa inyong renta every hour. Bisan 15 pesos na, yadig pa na. Okay? But in our company, that's what we do. But I have mentioned before, skills-oriented. So what we look for? We need to look for very intelligent people who can learn anything and everything online. Diba? So that's where Mr. Rolly Gambo mentioned about the T people, jack of all trades. No? Kahit master of none, basta alam nyo lahat, magaling kayo dyan sa amin. Okay? If you're willing to learn, we will get you. We will have you. Okay? So, another point I'm talking about is, I have mentioned to you my mga information, my personal information, even my Yahoo Messenger. It is very important na i-keep muna ang kind of information. I would expect some people to start chatting me later on at me sa Yahoo Messenger with Mason26. But I'm trying to drive the point here is that when you are online every day, you start to create your own persona, your own identity. Hindi nila kayo makikita. You don't have to present who you are. Kahit hindi kayo 6-footer, white skin, have blue eyes, doesn't matter. Magaling kayo sa English, you can pretend to be someone else. Okay? But the point here is you get a lot of friends. Ang work namin, very important that we promote our websites. We have clients from the US, from Europe, and they own websites, they have businesses. Okay? People from all over the world use the internet. Kayo, you use Friendster, you use it to play online games, but some people would buy what they need online. They don't go to the supermarket, they don't have to go to the mall. They just sit in front of the computer and they click and they buy. Tapos, delivered yung package sa bahay nila. Okay? So, that's what we do. We take care of our clients' websites. So, So, another thing is, why we require that you have good written English skills. We also do blogging. Are you familiar with blogs? Yeah. May mga blogs ka mo? Oh, very good, very good. Okay. So, though online diary siya, di ba? So, but for us, it's more than an online diary. Okay? We create blogs to sell products, to produce promotional materials for a website. No? So that's why we want you to write well in English. We provide training on that. So we don't provide American accent training. We provide a writer's training, no, for writing articles online. It's more marketing oriented, more promotional, and more technical. Okay. On the technical side naman, no, we also hire web developers, programmers, and web designers. They are the more skills-oriented na side, no? Because when you create websites, we require that people would know what they're doing. We use different languages, PHP, HTML, CSS, all those IT people on the top there. Are you familiar with that? Do you use HTML, CSS? Okay, good, good. Okay, so that's what we look for. Okay, that's what we look for. And for those high school students natin, if you're very interested in going into the IT industry, working for clients who create websites, those na mga artists. Sino mga artist natin dito sa high school? Yeah? That's good. Okay. Do you like to create animes? Do you like to create characters? How about graphic designer? Good. Yun. We are looking for artists. So, if you are an artist, no, you don't have to go, you don't have to stay at the level of using yung canvas lang, yung paints lang, yung watercolors. Why don't you start using the computer to create your art? And when you start using the computer, we will hire you if you're very creative to start working on websites. You create websites. No? Like, for example, sa Friendster ngayon, alam nyo may mga applications? Di ba? Okay. We also create that. Walang application sa Friendster kung walang programmer na marunong mag-create ng applications. And Facebook. We have programmers working for a client that is part of Facebook. Okay. We have branches in Makati, which is our main branch. We have a branch in Davao, and that's our hub of operations in Mindanao. And Iloilo is our hub of operations in Visayas. Okay, so all of these make up Eversun Software Philippines Corporation. However, our website is called agentsofvalue.com. So if you want to know more about services, about how we do things at our company at Eversun, you can visit http://www.agentsofvalue.com. Okay? So that's it, I think. And thank you very much for your time. And thank you for inviting me. Okay.